Chemical reaction lab part 2. So this is reaction 6 through 10, the part you're doing on your own. It gives you a description of what went on in the reactions, but I thought it'd be nicer to actually see the reactions. So we'll take a look at this here, try to get in there a little bit and see things there. Okay, so what I did was I took a piece of aluminum and I put it in some hydrochloric acid. And it's bubbling just a little bit, but not very much. It takes a while for this to get going. And now it's starting to shoot up pretty good. Okay, so again, I think there's a protective coating on aluminum foil when you buy it. And so it protects it and shoots it up. Now it's starting to bubble up, giving me some gas here. Okay, this is a single displacement reaction, number 6. And I'm going to do a burning splint test here. So I'm going to light this splint. We'll see if we got enough stuff in there to make this go. And we get that good squeaking or popping sound with that burning splint. All right, the next reaction that we're going to do is a double displacement reaction. And I'm going to move that over here and bring this over. And in this container, I have some mercury nitrate. And I'm going to combine it with, this is a clear solution, I'm going to combine it with lead iodide, or I'm sorry, potassium iodide, which is also a clear solution. And clear make. And it looks like orange today. Orange, you observe it. All right, so that would be it. Now, if I put this in a centrifuge or if I spun around really fast, well, that probably wouldn't do it. There would actually be a solid that would settle out to the bottom. Okay, so that solid would settle out to the bottom when I combine those two solutions, and it would, that's what's really giving it its orange, orangish color right there. So that is our double displacement reaction. Experiment number 8 is a decomposition reaction. So we have for that one is some hydrogen peroxide. And this time I just used the store-bought 3%. And I have that right here in this container. And I'm going to add some manganese dioxide. It's going to act as a catalyst in this reaction to cause this to decompose. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and add a little spatula here, add a little schmibbly of this, which isn't very much. And we get a lot of bubbling in that. And then what I'm going to do is take my, I'm going to get a glowing splint. Okay, so I'm going to kind of turn this upside down, not burn my fingers, hopefully. Get a nice ember, and then I'm going to dump it in here. And what happens to that ember? It relights. So again, I'm going to take this, dump it out, and I'll put it down in there, and it does relight because it has what's needed to support combustion, that element there. Okay, so that is reaction number 8, a decomposition. The next one we go to, wow, this one is going to be exciting. This is a piece of aluminum. Okay, but sometimes this aluminum gets a coating on it, and we're assuming it pulled some oxygen out of the air, okay, to make aluminum oxide on that. So again, not uncommon for metals to pick up some oxygen and maybe get just a kind of a duller appearance. If I wanted to do a reaction with the aluminum for something else, I'd probably just use some sand scraper, break off the oxide coating on the outside, and then I'd have the straight aluminum right there. So really, this is just something, aluminum reacting with the oxygen very, very slowly over time. And then our final reaction is the combustion of a hydrocarbon. And the hydrocarbon we have here is butane. It's a butane lighter. And what'll happen is the butane actually gets sparked. Okay, and when I push this right here, it sparks, it combines with oxygen, and you should know the main two products anytime you burn a hydrocarbon. So butane plus oxygen. If I put my hand here, it would feel warmer, giving you a hint at what type of reaction it is. I'm not going to put my hand too close there. I know that trick. All right, those are just the visuals for the reactions 6 through 10. You're writing the equations and then answering the questions for those. Thank you.